Hello class, now we are going to making the tail fins of our rockets. I'm going to do this in a two-part video series. One will be just the main part, the base of the tail fin, and then the other part will be adding on the wings. So first off, very important here, down in this bottom corner here, a lot of you missed this step last time. We want to change the snap grid from 1 millimeter and I want to change it down to 0.1 millimeters. That helps me move objects around a lot easier. So if you're having troubles moving objects, this is why down here. Then I want to change the name up at the top to Jones Tailfin. Okay, so I know exactly what I'm looking at. And let's get started. So the first thing I want you to do is drag in a cylinder. And we're going to be changing the width and the length to 27. And you can do that by clicking right in the numbers and typing them in. That's what I found the easiest to do. At the top here, this white box is going to change the height. I want you to type in 38 for the height. And then see this arrow right here? I can click on it and change it back and forth. I want you to take the sides and drag that meter all the way down to 64 so it becomes more of a rounded shape. Alright, go ahead and click off of that. Then we are going to drag in another cylinder. And same thing, I'm going to take the sides. I'm going to make it 64 to make it more rounded. Bottom right hand corner here, I'm going to change the sizes of this cylinder, and I want the length of the width of this one, the diameter, to be 25. Now for the height, I'm going to click on this top middle box. The height for this one is going to be 50. 50. Okay, see that one got real tall. Now, we're going to take this taller one and we're going to set it directly in the center of this shorter one. I'm going to take it and I'm going to drag it. And I'm going to take this box and I'm going to check out the view. And I think I'm going to zoom in a little better. So I should just have a little edge going all the way around. See how that edge is a little bit skinnier than the other side? I think I need to move it just a little bit. So I'm going to take this piece again and I'm going to move it just slightly and try to center that a little better. That doesn't look too bad. Okay, now to group objects again, people, we click on the bottom one and then you are going to click on the top one. If you're using a computer instead of an iPad, you can hold the shift key to do that. Otherwise, you're just tapping. Okay, and then the button right next to the light bulb here, you group the objects.
Allie.
Next, we're going to drag in a hole. So that's using the gray piece. Drag in the hole. Now click in the bottom right hand corner and we're going to resize that hole here by typing in, let's go 23 and a half, 23.5 by 23.5. And let's make the height of this bigger than our whole cylinder that we currently have and make that 60. That'll make it easier to group in the end. Now I'm going to take that cylinder and I'm going to drag it in. This will be a little bit easier to try to see if it's center or not. Looking around, that doesn't look too bad. Okay, now with that highlighted, I'm going to click on my orange cylinder as well. See how it says two shapes again? And right here by the light bulb, we're going to group it. So you should have the hole in the top. That's the base of this. I'm going to start a second video showing you how to put the fins on next. Okay, so don't forget to save by using the Tinkercad logo. and save that way. Okay, have a good day.